Gold is valuable for a number of reasons. First, it is relatively rare and difficult to extract from the earth, which means that its supply is limited. Second, gold does not corrode or tarnish, which makes it a durable and long-lasting material. Third, gold has a number of unique properties, including its malleability, ductility, and conductivity, which make it useful in a variety of industries. Furthermore, throughout history, gold has been used as a currency and store of value. It has been prized for its beauty and rarity and has been used to create jewelry, ornaments, and decorative objects. In many cultures, gold has been associated with power, wealth, and prestige, making it a desirable material for personal adornment and display. Finally, in times of economic uncertainty or political instability, gold has often been seen as a safe haven asset that can preserve wealth and protect against inflation. This has made it a popular investment choice for individuals and institutions seeking to hedge against market volatility or currency fluctuations. There are many gold mines located around the world, with some of the largest gold-producing countries being China, Australia, Russia, the United States, and Canada. One of the world's largest gold mines is the Grasberg mine in Indonesia, which is owned and operated by Freeport-McMoRan. The mine produces both gold and copper and is estimated to contain one of the world's largest recoverable reserves of copper and gold. Other notable gold mines include the Miranto gold mine in Uzbekistan, which is the largest open-pit gold mine in the world, and the Carlin Trend gold mine in Nevada, USA, which is one of the most productive gold mines in the world. Gold mining is a global industry, and there are many more gold mines located in different regions around the world, with varying levels of production and size. It is difficult to say when gold mining will end, as it depends on a number of factors, including the availability of new deposits, the demand for gold, and the economics of mining. Gold is a non-renewable resource, which means that once all of the known deposits have been exhausted, there will be no more gold to mine. However, there are still many undiscovered or unexplored areas where gold deposits may exist, and new mining technologies and methods are constantly being developed that could make it possible to extract gold from previously inaccessible sources. In addition, the demand for gold may fluctuate over time, depending on factors such as economic conditions, geopolitical events, and changes in consumer preferences. If the demand for gold were to decrease significantly, it could lead to a reduction in gold mining activity. Ultimately, the end of gold mining will depend on a complex interplay of economic, environmental, and technological factors, and it is difficult to predict when this will occur. There are still many unexplored or underexplored regions of the world that may contain gold deposits. Some of these areas include Greenland. With its vast and largely unexplored land area, Greenland has significant potential for mineral exploration and development, including gold. West Africa. The region is home to some of the world's largest gold deposits, but there are still many areas that have not been fully explored. Papua New Guinea. The country has a rich history of gold mining, but many areas are still unexplored or underexplored. South America. The continent is home to some of the world's largest gold mines, but there are still many areas that are relatively unexplored, particularly in the Amazon basin. Central Asia. The region is home to several large gold deposits, but there are also many areas that have not been fully explored. It's worth noting that exploring and developing new gold mines can be a complex and expensive process. requiring significant investment in geological surveys, drilling, and infrastructure. Moreover, mining in environmentally sensitive areas can also pose challenges and require careful management to minimize the impact on local ecosystems and communities.